Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I thought today it'd be really quite fun to do a little bit of an unboxing video, and I've got a few little bits and pieces here to unbox and have a look at, we'll see what I've bought and what I'm going to do with it, and just kind of know some stuff that's going on. Okay, so first package. I've got a package here that I bought with my good fair money, and this is from a fantastic company in the UK called Randalls Candles. So there are a few fragrances I wanted to try. One in particular is a epic one that I want to kind of combine with something else. So I'll tell you about that one when we get into this package. So hopefully you'll be able to see everything I can as I'm opening this package up. Let's get into here. So there's 3 fragrances that I wanted to try. Get rid of all the packaging bits and bobs there. And we've got 3 fragrances. I'll try and get rid of the smelly bits. And the first one we have here is Unstoppably Spring. So this is actually a dupe. This is a dupe for a well-known detergent brand. And I thought we'd possibly do some candles with this. We may do some soap with it. Let's have a quick smell. And that is unmistakably a detergent brand. So we'll see what we're going to do with that. I'm not sure yet, but we'll have a little think about that one. And number 2, we have, this one is called Leather. Just Leather. I was quite intrigued by this one, so let's have a little sniff of this and see what. Okay, that's really quite unusual. It's kind of earthy and quite deep, but it's not very strong. So whether that will kind of come through a little bit more in saponification, I don't know. But I'll have a little look at that one because I have an idea for that one. And then last but not least, and it was not planned that way, we have here, and let's see if you can see it here, an aloe vera and cucumber. Now, this is the one I really wanted to give a go because this is, oh, that is stunning, and it's going to go with black pepper. So we're going to kind of have an avocado cucumber, a aloe vera cucumber and black pepper soap. And I may put avocado in the soap. That's a very nice idea, actually. So those are some really fab fragrances. Now, I was a very lucky boy, and I'm doing this with the express permission of Randalls Candles to have a little sniff of their fragrances. And I'm really impressed. And when I spoke to them, they said, well, we've got a load of other things that we think you'd like to try, so let's send you some stuff. And I was like, well, I didn't phone you to do that. I just wanted to get your permission that I could do a video, and they just sent me a little care package. So I have here a care package from the wonderful Randalls Candles. So let's start with some English pear and freesia. Okay. Okay, that is absolutely glorious. You've got this kind of florally note with this kind of underlying fruity tone with it, which is really good. Now, freesia, we know floral flavours or floral fragrances even can accelerate trace and can cause some issues. So we're going to have to do a little bit of testing with that one. But if we can get that to work in a design, that's going to be stunning. Next, we have lime and cucumber. Now, I'm hoping that's going to be a good one. My goodness me. Okay, so yeah, that works really, really nicely. We've got the real hit of kind of fresh citrusy lime, and then underneath it there's that kind of earthy note that you get in a cucumber, that kind of like when you first cut it and you get that real green smell. That's what you kind of get at the back of that one. Again, we've got a citrus note in there which should retard trace and should mean that we've got a little bit longer time to work. But again, we're going to have to test these to make sure that they do what we think they're going to do. Next one, Earl Grey and cucumber, one of my favourites, this one. Yes, and that is, again, you've got this really nice bergamot citrusy note in the top with that underlying green of cucumber. So those are going to work really nicely together. And our last one, I've left Madawi to last. I have no idea what this is going to smell like, so let's crack on and find out. Oh. Oh, it's kind of sweet and I can't really put my finger on that one, but it smells like it's going to have a degree of vanillin in it. I can smell a kind of vanilla note in there. So I would imagine this one is going to be a fragrance that will discolour. So we have to bear that one in mind when we work with this one, but quite excited for that one. They smell amazing. Right, we'll go on to our Unstoppable, or Unstoppably. Now, all of these are based on laundry detergent fragrances, as I'm aware. So these ones are going to have that kind of fresh, crisp linen smell, which is quite nice to have. Quite nice to have. So we're going to start with, what was the one we had at the beginning? We had a Unstoppably Spring. So let's start with Unstoppably Spring. Oh. There we go, it was the one I had picked up. So Unstoppably Spring, I've just smelt that one. But if you go to the laundry aisle and you pick up a few bits and pieces on the laundry aisle, you will find that fragrance is pretty close. So next one we've got is Unstoppable Blue Fresh. I wonder. Absolutely, absolutely identical. That's really quite lovely. And I can see a series of soaps coming in here. We'll have to see what we're going to do with those ones. Unstoppably Dreamy. So again, very subtle, but very lovely. Possibly going to create a fast-moving batter in that one. I think there are some notes, there's some spicy notes I'm getting that could possibly cause a little bit of an issue there. Unstoppably Lavish. Now that is glorious. That's a very masculine fragrance actually. Ambery, quite a lot of rich notes going on there. A little bit in the top as well. I'm liking that one. Again, not particularly strong. Whether that will last through saponification, we'll need to find out. But I'm quite excited for that one. And finally, we've got Bliss. Unstoppably Bliss. Let's have a... Okay, yeah, fruity, light. You've got all that really nice kind of airy fragrance in there. Those ones are going to be glorious to work with. And now finally we have Female Fine Multi-Pack. Let's have a little go on these ones. Some ladies' fragrances coming out here. I can already kind of smell the class coming. Right, so we have I Adore, Touch of Pink, Spook, Anna, and Mademoiselle. And I'm going to start with I Adore, which I assume is a dupe. Yeah, it's close. It's very, very close. It's a good one. Quite mild, quite light. So we'll have to see how that one works in soap. Now, bear with me a second. I'm going to have a quick slurp and a sniff of something that is not a fragrance. And get rid of some of that vapour going around in my nose. Let's give that Adore one a go again. Okay. Yeah, again, light, a little bit of fruitiness in there. Like that one, it smells good. Next one we've got here is Spook. Yeah, very light, very, yes, feminine. Would work quite well, I think, as a multi-sex tone. Whatever your pronoun might be, it's probably good for you. Anna. Again, light, fruity. There's a floral note at the back of that one. Possibly an issue when it comes to getting that one working within soaps. But again, we're going to test all of these fragrances and see exactly what's going on with them. Mademoiselle. That one is, yeah, that's quite a strong, that's a lovely fragrance. And last but not least, Touch of Pink. Wow, okay. That one is rich, that's kind of deep, it's got some real kind of deep notes going on there, and then it finishes with this kind of sprinkling on the top. That I like that one a lot. So we've got some really nice light florally fragrant female scents going on, and I've got some nice ideas of what we're going to do with those ones. Quite simple, chic, beautiful soaps. We've got some Unstoppables, and we're going to be quite unstoppable with those. I'm thinking scraped layers, I'm thinking possibly white goods in soap, making things out of soap. There's other ideas I've got for those ones as well, so there's some things around that. And then we've got our kind of English, sweet, beautiful fragrances on the other side. So lots of things to think about here, but plenty of things to be going on with. So I'll think about these overnight and for the next few days, and we will start doing some soaps based on these wonderful fragrances and colours that the wonderful Randalls Candles have sent across to me. So please, I'll leave a link in the description below to their website. Go and check them out and buy some stuff from them as well, because it's quality fragrances, quality products, and if you're a candle maker as well, they do some wonderful things. I've bought from them in the past, so this hasn't been sponsored, although they have given me the stuff we've just looked there, and I'm going to do some things with it and let you know how I feel. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Tick the bell icon for notifications when a new video is uploaded, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye.